Alright guys, hopefully at this point you've had a time and a chance to try it on your own. This video is for just to check your answers, see whether you're correct or not. So step one, if I'm trying to graph inequality, step one, I'm remembering back without flipping my paper. Step one, I think I wrote graph the inequality. So for step one, I'm writing down the step, graph the inequality. And when I'm graphing inequality, I need to know which ones are solid and which ones are dashed. So I think if I try to remember what I said a couple minutes ago, when it has an equal sign, I think that's going to be a solid line. So on my box, I'm going to write down solid line. So whenever there's an equal sign, it will be solid. That means that that line will include the point. It will include the solution. If there's no equal sign, it will be the other one, which is a dotted line. And that does not include the point. Alright, so graphing my first line over here, I have y is less than 1/3 x minus 2. I'm going to number it a 1, so we kind of know that that is the first equation. I'll also do it in green, so you guys can know that green will be the first equation. So this one, the y-intercept is at -2, so I'm going to start down there at -2. And the slope is going to be 1/3. So 1/3 means I go up 1, right 3, up 1, right 3, up 1, right 3, and then go the other way as well. Down 1, left 3, down 1, left 3, just continuing the pattern, but in the opposite direction. Alright, so here I have my line, but I haven't connected my dots yet, because I don't know whether this is solid or dotted. So if I look back at the inequality sign does have an equal sign. That means that this will be a, if you guess solid, you are correct, this will be a solid line. So I can just connect all the dots solidly. As best as I can with my shaky hands. Alright, so there's my first line. It is good to go. Alright, my second line will be number 2. And I'm going to number it. Number 2, I'm going to do it in blue so you guys can see it a little bit better. So for the second line, I'm starting at 3 because that's my b-intercept. I'm starting at 3. I'm going to put a dot there. That's my starting point. And my slope is -4/3. That means I'm going to go down 4 and then to the right 3. Down 4, right 3. Taking my time because there's no rush. Perfect, so my graph looks like this. I have a couple of dots on because I'm not sure. Is this going to be solid or dotted? Looking at the inequality sign for equation 2, it is it has no equal sign. That means that this line itself will be dotted. And remember, dotted lines or dashed lines will not include the points. So just dashed lines are good. Perfect, just like this. Wow, I'm so good. Alright, so there's step 1, graph the inequality. If you were stuck with step 1, go ahead and pause the video and try step 2 and 3 by yourself. If you're still stuck, let's see if we could do step 2. Step 2 will be to shade the inequality. So less than means I'm going to shade below, and greater than means I'm going to shade on top, just as a reminder. So the first equation, the green equation I have, equation number 1, that inequality is a less than. Y is less than. If it points to the left, I'm going to graph down. So here's my green line. I'm going to go ahead and just shade down. Perfect, just like this. Perfect lines, yes. Alright, so there's the first shading. For the second one, y is greater than. Greater than means I'm going to shade above the blue line, so on top. Wow, that is good. I am impressed with myself. Ooh, I see some area where they overlap. That's going to help me with step 3. Step 3 will be to identify the area of solutions. Identify the area of solutions. So I'm going to take out some marker or my highlighter that I have somewhere around here. And I'm going to highlight where do the blue and the green intersect or overlap. I'm going to highlight all that good area. There we go. Alright, so I'm done graphing and I know where are my solutions. My solution is anywhere that I've highlighted, wherever the two areas cross. Alright, now it's time to check some points. See whether it's true or false. So first one is 0, 0 a solution. So let's find 0, 0 first. That's at the origin, a special place called the origin. Ooh, that's nowhere close to anywhere. That's going to be a no for me. Alright, the second one is 6, 3 a solution. Let's find 6, 3. 6, 3. 6, negative 3. Very good. Sorry, 6, negative 3. That is right there. That is in the yellow dot. That is in the yellow area. I think I'm good to go. That's going to be a yes. Alright, it's 1, 3 a solution. Okay, 1, 3. Okay, it's in the blue but not in the yellow, so that's going to be a no for me. It needs to be in the yellow area for it to be a solution. 4, 2. Let's see if we can find 4, 2. Negative 2, sorry. 4, negative 2. That's going to be right on the dotted line. So remember, when it's on the dotted line, it is not included. So it is not part of the solutions. That will be a no. Alright, is 6, 0 a solution? Let's check 6, 0. Okay, so 6, 0 right here. Ooh, that is on the solid line. That means it is included. That means that this will be a solution, yes. Alright guys, and that is how we graph the inequality, and that is how we check our solutions. Thank you for watching.